you ready to make a digital collage? Do you not know where to start? Hi, my name is Chelsea from The Digital Art Teacher, and in this video series, I'll not only help you get your creative juices flowing, but also show you some of the key techniques that you'll need to know to get started with a digital collage. Now, digital collage is distinctly different from classical collage. Not only do you get to keep your hands clean, meaning no sticky fingers or random scraps of paper littering your space, but you also get to add elements that are distinctly digital, like patterns or vector art. Each video in this series will be titled with a specific technique that you may need to know to get you started with an awesome and unique collage. So if you already know it, you can skip that video. Of course, I would suggest that you watch them just in case you miss something, but I will be loosely following the steps outlined in Adobe's Make It Center, and there will be a link in the description for their instructions. So let's outline what we'll be exploring in the coming videos so you can know what to expect. First, we are going to brainstorm your design, as it is important to have some kind of plan before you begin so that you know what photos to gather. Second, we'll create a file at the appropriate size and cut out images. There are a few different techniques for this, and I'll show you two of my tried and true options, and you can choose which one you'd like to use to get exact cutouts. And then, we'll discuss some ideas for making more artistic cutouts. Next, we'll compose your image. We'll talk about how to decide where to place each item in your collage based on movement and proportion, and we'll see how some up-and-coming artists use these principles in their own work. Then we'll talk about how to use the layers and the free transform mode. And lastly, we'll talk about some extra effects that you may want to add in your collage. Things like adding a border, using the brush tool, colorizing photos, and a few of the other extra effects that you might want to add into your collage. This video series goes with the Digital Collage unit at digitalartteacher.com. So if you're teaching digital photography or digital art, then you can check the info bar or the description for some specific teaching resources for this unit. Ready to create something amazing? Then join me in the next video and we'll start making a super sweet digital collage. I'll see you there.